All right. Hello once again. I'm not here today, but I'm going to show our 8th grade students what is going to be expected. The goal here is to go down to classwork, and on the very top of the task at hand, we have reconstruction project, and of course it is graded. We've been working on paragraph 1, totally valid. As you continue through here, I'm just wanting us to read the question. All the information is going to be right here in every slide. And then you just write your response on the right there. As we continue downward, when you are using quotes and citing a source, you can just copy and paste from right here and just put it right here. When you cite your source, all you have to do for part 1 is cite reconstruction and the aftermath of the Civil War, comma, and then the slide number of where you got it. That is it. And you just keep on going through. I'm going to stop right here. And when it says, what are the 3 rights from the Declaration of Independence? Don't worry about Googling it. I'm going to let you know right now. It is life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. That's it. So why should people have the right to life, right to liberty or freedom, and then the right to the pursuit of happiness? The right for them to be happy but also be able to make a living wage. That's what it's asking. And then as we go further down, question number 17 is asking about Ulysses S. Grant. He was the most important general for the Union, which is the North, during that time of the Civil War. He believed that the South should be punished, and the way that the war should be battled should not just be like conditional surrender. He believed that the South should have basically completely give up and agree to any concessions that the North makes, because he thinks that the South, since they left the country and they've started the war, they should be punished. He also thought that you keep on killing the enemy until they completely surrender to all of your terms. Why is he important? That's right there. Number 18. When you look at the slideshow, as you jump over here, if you go over to classwork again and scroll down to the very bottom, it says sentence starters, only if you need it. If you want, you're more than welcome to use these. As I open this up, sentence starters for the reconstruction project, it's right there. You do not have to use all the sentences for part 1. You could if you want to, but that's up to you. That's the question. And as we keep on going, I want us to look at paragraph 2, if you were able to work on that today. Much easier. It's just looking at the article of being an African American after emancipation. We're looking at James Johnson, a person who was enslaved, and his interview from there. It's all right here. And the article title is called Being an African American After Emancipation. And you just read and go through as you would. And then, of course, the last questions right there, what were they trying to do? It kind of ties into the Black Code laws that we saw in part 1 and what the South was trying to do after the Civil War. As we open up the sentence starters, part 2 is right there as well. And that's what we're looking at today. If you have any questions, be free to email me. I can't make any promises. But that's our objective for today. Good luck.